In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a trade on MetaTrader 4. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your trading skills, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to confidently place a trade. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open the MetaTrader 4 platform. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can find it on many brokerage websites. Once the platform is up and running, you're ready to begin. Next, direct your attention to the Market Watch window, which is typically found on the left side of the screen. This window displays a list of currency pairs you can trade. Right-click on the currency pair that you're interested in. This will bring up a menu with various options. At this stage, go ahead and select New Order. Once you've clicked on New Order, you'll see the Order window. Here, you want to ensure that Market Execution is the selected order type. This is crucial because Market Execution allows you to enter the trade at the current market price. Other types of orders might delay execution for specific price conditions. Now, take a look at the symbol drop-down list. You'll want to choose the trading instrument or the currency pair that you wish to trade. Make sure you double-check that it's the right one. After that, it's time to set the volume, which represents your lot size. In Forex trading, 1 TONS typically equates to 100,000 currency units. This step is vital because it determines the size of your trade, impacting both your potential profit and risk. Risk management is an integral part of trading. To help manage risk, you have the option of setting stop loss and take profit levels. While this step is optional, it is highly recommended. Setting these levels in advance ensures that your trade will automatically close when it reaches a certain profit level or a predefined loss, protecting your investment. Now that you have all your parameters set, decide on the direction of your trade. You can either click Buy by Market if you believe the currency pair's value will rise, or Sell by Market if you anticipate it will drop. Clicking either of these options will open your position at the current market price. And there you have it. The trade executes, reflecting your analysis and decisions in real-time market conditions. As a result, you're now an active participant in the Forex market, managing your trade while monitoring those market movements closely. Practice will make you more adept, so take the time to become familiar with this process. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this walkthrough on entering a trade on MetaTrader 4 helpful. Be sure to like, subscribe, and check out other videos for more trading insights and tips. Happy trading!